Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we first want to turn off our device. So we're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from here select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. This will take us to bootloader / fastboot mode. It's labeled as fastboot mode, but if you select reboot bootloader, it takes you here anyway. So as long as we're in this mode, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate, and you want to have a recovery mode visible right here. When it is, press power button. Next, you will see this Android logo with no command. So to get past this, you're going to hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once, and this redirects us to the actual recovery mode. Now in here, just like before, we will be using volume buttons to navigate up and down, depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have a reboot to bootloader, which will bring us back to the first page we have seen after turning off the phone, like I mentioned at the beginning. Then we have enter fastboot mode. This is a dedicated fastboot mode. Like I mentioned, the bootloader that was labeled as fastboot mode wasn't really one. Here is a dedicated one that looks a bit different. Next, we have apply updates from ADB or SD card. We have a wipe data, factory reset, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. We're just going to jump to the first option again, and I'm going to confirm it. Much like I mentioned before, this will now just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.